Hi everybody, welcome back to Bariatric Beauty and Finishing School. So today I'm going to do a little quick 5-minute demo. Here we go. So to start with, I am going to use my favorite serum again. It's Advanced Night Repair by Estee Lauder. Yes, it's a night serum. Yes, I use it day and night. So I just put it all over my face, quick, easy, it goes everywhere. Second thing I put on is this guy here, which is by Guerlain. It's a Super Aqua Eye Serum, and then you just put it in circular motions. Easy breezy done. Next we have Guerlain Baby Glow. It's just a super simple tinted moisturizer. It's an SPF 25. We call it an anti-fatigue makeup because it has light reflecting particles in it as well, which makes your skin just feel really luminous and bright. So I'm just looking in a mirror right here. It smells great. It has violets in it, so it's this really kind of nice aromatherapy to this product. It also gives you a really nice finish really fast. So that's, that's it. I do have my beauty blender, and I got my beauty blender a little bit cold when I washed it today. So I washed it in warm water, and then I went ahead and rinsed it in really cold water. What that's gonna do is kind of just help my skin to depuff a little. So that is sort of it for the skin routine. I'm gonna go ahead with a little bit of blush. This is Modern Mandarin by MAC. It is my favorite. I just kind of brush it on the apples of the cheeks and kind of rotate it out from there. I'm using my NARS Yachio brush, which is my favorite. And then over that, I just do a little tiny bit of bronzer just to warm up my skin. The Meteorites Baby Glow that I used a shade that's actually a little bit darker than my natural skin tone. Reason being is because I like it to look a little bit healthier. And you always look a little bit healthier when you have a little bit of glow to your skin or a little bit of tan. So next up is eyebrows. I can't really go anywhere without my eyebrows. I'm not going to be doing any eye makeup today because I do have my lashes done, and so the lashes sort of take away the need for any eye makeup. So I'm taking again the Guerlain Brow Kit. So I just sort of use all 3 shades. I'm just doing a really simple, quick brow today, just because it's, like I said, I'm not really going anywhere, but I still want to feel pulled together when I leave the house. You'll notice I haven't used any concealer either. Last but not least, we just take our spoolie brush, we brush it through a little bit so they're not super harsh. That's it. Simple, fast, took me about 5 minutes to do everything, and I'm ready to walk out the door and I feel like $1,000,000, and that's what counts. So one of the biggest things that I get asked is, what kind of lipstick should I wear? What kind of colors look good on me? So what I always tell people is, pick 2 colors. Pick the color you always pick, your safe color, your safe zone, and then pick something you'd never wear. And let's try on that one. And so from there, I've sort of experimented with myself in colors that I love. So I love corals, I love reds. I'm sort of trying to get into wearing nude. My newest sort of lipstick obsession, I forever have worn Kat Von D liquid lipstick. I love it. I love that it's matte. I love that it is long wearing. I love the colors. And I had this really incredible experience with these 3 beautiful women from Utah who introduced me to Lipsense. So I'm going to introduce you to one of my favorite shades. The color is, it's called Samon, S-A-M-O-N. And then I'm going to top it with matte gloss. So you can see how it can go matte. There's a lot of demos out there that show you the power of just plain Lipsense, like glossy gloss or the glitter glosses. This is the matte one, and this one is a little bit harder to wear for some people, but I love a matte lip, so let me show you that. What I'm also going to show you is how Lipsense doesn't transfer. So I'm only going to put the lipstick on my bottom lip to start with, and then I'll apply it all over. So this is Samon. It is a beautiful kind of a peachy, corally orange. So that's just one coat, and one coat is still quite pretty. My boyfriend makes fun of me because I always have to move my lips really weird when this is drying because it is extremely sticky. So let's go ahead with a second coat. So this lipstick has sort of saved my life. I never have to reapply it. I can drink coffee, eat soup, be in a rainstorm. I literally took a shower and scrubbed my face, like scrubbed my face, and this stuff does not come off. So it is incredible. So one more coat. Isn't this color lovely? A lot of people are afraid of this, but it's beautiful, I think. So we're gonna let this dry for a couple of seconds. It doesn't take that long. Usually by the time I apply the top lip, the bottom lip is already dry. So I think we're pretty much ready to go. This is the matte. It sort of comes out a little bit like a silicone, almost like a primer. And you can see there's nothing on the wand. So it is now sealed with matte gloss. So here we are, here's the big test. And there's nothing on my top lip still. It's incredible. It's amazing, incredible. And there you have it. Lipsense, that's matte. It's beautiful. The color is absolutely phenomenal and gorgeous. And easy. 5 minutes to a beautiful you that is ready to face the world. Thank you for joining me on Bariatric Beauty and Finishing School. See you next time.